I'm Jaspar Leahy, and this is Danielle Coon. We both work at the MD-ICCCR. And basically, through our workplace conversations, we realized that in our time outside of work, we both volunteer with organizations in Brooklyn that help children and youth develop their capacity to be of service to others. So today we're going to be speaking a little bit about how can we help children and youth cultivate dignity and cultivate the dignity we wish to see in the world through working with children and youth. So I volunteer with the Junior Youth Spiritual Empowerment Program. This is a program that works with youth aged 12 through 15 and sees them, rather than seeing this as an age of transition where they're troublesome and challenging, and seeing them as having a great deal of potential and a desire to achieve both intellectual and spiritual excellence and use that to be protagonists of meaningful change in their communities. So practically, this looks like a weekly group where we gather together with a group of about 10 middle schoolers. They're a group of friends. We study together workbooks that help them analyze the world around them. So often it takes them through a story of someone around their age that's going through different things and making decisions in life, and it helps them also reflect on their own choices. And then together we also identify the challenges of the world around us, and then they plan and carry out service projects within their local community. We also do arts and crafts and participate in sports and games to help also develop their powers of expression and to help build bonds of friendship. And so the group that I've been supporting has been meeting for the past 3 years, and it's located in Lafayette Gardens, which is a housing project on the border of Clinton Hill and Bed Stuy. So that's what I'm up to.
Hi, and again, I'm Danielle Coon, and I have spoken about this before, so a few of you may remember that I am the parent of an 8-year-old, and about 4 years ago, he and I joined an organization called the Baden Powell Service Association. We are a national organization focused on scouting and the elements of sort of traditional back to basics scouting. We are absolutely not affiliated with Boy Scouts or Girl Scouts organizations, and we are very specifically all-inclusive. We are gender equal. We welcome and have many of our scouts of a variety of gender expressions. And we all scout together. We also have scouting ages from age 5 all the way into adulthood. So our youth programs are divided into 4 sections: chipmunks, otters, timberwolves, and pathfinders. And our over 18 scouts are called rovers. So I am officially a rover scout, and I have a few survival skills that I can assist with if anything was to happen. But we are based in Brooklyn. We have 5 troops currently and are continuously growing. The Brooklyn group is actually, I think we comprise 20% of the growth of the national organization in the last 10 years. So we, our major tenets are providing service to our communities and providing opportunities for our scouts to get outside, and especially connecting those opportunities to scouts who would not ordinarily have those opportunities. So more marginalized groups and groups who have not historically been represented within scouting organizations and felt comfortable connecting with the outdoors for a variety of reasons. So we wanted to, in terms of this presentation, we wanted to talk specifically about how are we cultivating dignity throughout our community work.
So I'll just share very briefly, I only have a minute basically. But basically, the Junior Youth Program recognizes that individuals are both affected by their surroundings and also have the ability to affect them. So the fact that my group, all the members of my group live in public housing, we recognize that this community has been stripped of its dignity in many ways. But then on the other hand, we also look around and recognize just the vibrance of community life that does exist in a number of people who are also working to affect meaningful change within the community. So basically, as a group, we also try to meet those people in the community and work with them to carry out service projects. So one thing that we've been working on is we realize that there's a lot of litter. People will sometimes leave trash on the ground, throw it in the garden, throw it anywhere, and that leads to a rise in the rat population, which if you live in New York City, can be a problem. And so basically we worked with a community member who in his spare time gardens out of his own pocket to help clear up the trash, to clear out the weeds, to make sure that there wasn't homes for the rats to live anymore. So that's one example of a way that we've been trying to think about how can we think about the things that need to happen and do them so that dignity can be restored.
And I'll just share briefly, we do participate in a number of service projects, but one of the ones that I felt was especially meaningful for this particular topic is that for the last 3 years we've been working with a nursing home in Bed Stuy. It's called the Concord Baptist Nursing Home. And we started off by doing sort of a holiday activity where we did caroling and some crafts. And from there have developed a relationship where our scouts are actually visiting with the seniors on a regular basis and doing craft projects with them. We're in talks now to actually work on a project together in the spring to build an outdoor garden where we can actually tangibly cultivate these relationships and these intergenerational relationships of our youth recognizing and acknowledging the dignity of our elders and vice versa. And so these are just some photos from both of our organizations. The ones on the right are just from last Tuesday when we did our holiday activities with the seniors.
Thank you so much, both of you. Danielle, I have to tell you, some of the kids were in the projects to come and involve themselves in nature. That has not left me for a moment over these couple of years. I'm very involved with our local Audubon Society, and we have a parallel issue. Let's check. Okay. Thank you again.